Hello everyone. So today we are going to see the ready-made templates present in BullsAI. To access that, we'll click on Phoenix, we'll scroll down and click on Explore Ready-Made Templates. Inside Explore Ready-Made Templates, as you can see, there are ready-made template strategies which you can use in your own BullsAI account. To use this, the steps are very simple. Today, we are going to talk about the Simple ATR strategy. I'll click on code. This is the code for the ATR strategy. If I click on the tweak strategy, I can see the previous candles which I can change and the time period of the ATR which I can change. This strategy is similar to the strategy which we use in the volatility trend ATR. The same parameters are present there. That strategy runs only on TCS. Over here you have the liberty to change the instrument and also the candle size. Let's get a brief about what is the ATR strategy. So this strategy uses ATR to detect changes in market volatility. A trade is entered when the current ATR value indicates a new volatility trend compared to the recent past. Positions are exited when the volatility trend reverses direction. In simple, if I say a volatility trend ATR strategy is a trend following volatility breakout strategy that utilizes ATR indicator to detect momentum shifts based on price, range expansion or contraction. Rather than trading directionally on price, it focuses on volatility itself as a signal for entry and exit. The entry conditions are if the current ATR is greater than the previous ATR, that means the volatility is rising, then we buy the stock. And if the current ATR is less than the previous ATR, that means the volatility is falling, we sell off the stock. Let's see how we can use this strategy to run it in our portfolio. The first thing is I'll click on save, then I'll click on continue. I'll click on the settings. Inside settings, I'll choose the segment as NS equity and select the instrument as let's say BSE. Now I can change the candle. Let's say I'll make the candle as 1 minute and I don't need to change anything. Let's say I'll change the ATR to 21 and I'll save it. Now, if you want to add it to your portfolio, it's very simple. Just click on this button, add to my portfolio. The strategy has been added to your portfolio. If you go to your portfolio, as you can see, this is the strategy added. You click on start over here. You can backtest, you can paper trade, you can live trade, whatever you want. Right now, the markets are closed. We cannot run the paper trade or live trade. To run paper trade, very simple. You have to just choose the quantity. Let's say I'm choosing 100. I can set the PNL tracker. Let's say the stop loss and the target level, but I don't want to choose that. I don't want to set it right now. I just want to go with the ATR signals and then I'll click on paper trade. I can change the execution mode to backtesting right now. And I'll show you how the backtesting is done. I'll select the time duration as 1 month. I'll close it and I'll just run the backtest. So as you can see, the backtest is running. Meanwhile, if you want to see the logs, click on the view details. Right now, no logs has been generated. If I refresh this thing, I can see the logs. It is still waiting for a trade to get placed. And if you want to see the detail analytics, just click on view detail analytics. It will take you to this page. I think it's still running and it has placed some trades right now. I can see the P&L table as well over here, as well as the analytics page and the profit and losses, cumulative returns. It looks quite impressive. The drawdown plot and the heat maps. So thank you everyone and I'll see you in the next video.